We'll start with the polynomials part 2 portion. Okay. So last class we did about 4s square minus 4s plus 1, right? We will do the third problem in this now. Okay. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Okay. We'll start doing this one. So this I can write it as 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay. Listen here. 6x square into minus 3 will be what? 6 3s are 18. So it will be minus 18x square. It will be, right? So I have to split this into two factors such that if you subtract, you should get 7x. If you multiply, you should get 18x square, right? Factors of 18. So 9 and 2 I can take. 9x and 2x, and remember here if it is minus, no, so one term will be plus, other will be minus, so that is the subtraction of the two terms you will get. Okay, so here it is minus. Okay, so here it is minus, so the bigger number should be minus, smaller number should be plus. So if minus 9x plus 2x will be equal to minus 7x. If I multiply, I will get it as minus 18x square. Okay, correct now. So I can split minus 7x as minus 9x plus 2x. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. So here, what I can take common here? 6 and 9 is there. So I can take common as 3. So 3x. Here you will get 2x minus 3. If you have doubt, you can divide and see what you will get. So you'll get 2x. And 9x by 3x, you will get 3. Correct? So minus. Here, there is no common term, so I will take it as plus 1. You will get it as 2x minus 3 itself. So you should get the same factors here. So then whatever you would have done, it will be correct. Okay. So you will get it as 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1. So what will be the zeros now? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Another one, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. One is alpha. Alpha is equal to 3 by 2. Other is beta, that is minus 1 by 3. Now alpha plus beta will be equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now we have to take the LCM. Listen once here. So LCM will be what? 3 into 2. It is 6. So next LCM by the denominator, that is 6 by 2. It will be equal to 3. This 3 you will multiply with the numerator. So you will get 3 3s are 9. Minus again 6 by 3 here. You will get it as 2. This 2 you will multiply with the numerator. You will get it as 7 by 6. So now 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is there. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 3, sorry, minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3 constant. So again a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3. So minus b by a will be equal to minus of minus 7 by 6. So minus b by a is equal to 7 by 6. Therefore, we got alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Next, alpha into beta, 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 I can cancel. Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. What about c by a? We'll get it as minus 3 by 6. That is also equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So alpha plus beta alpha is equal to now minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So we have where 4u square plus 8u. So can I use middle term splitting here? Common term. What common I can take? 4u. So 4u. When I take the common term, 4u square by 4u, you will get it as u, plus 8u by 4u, you get it as 2. Right? So you will get as 4u into u plus 2. 4u is equal to 0. U will be equal to 0. U plus 2 is equal to 0. U is equal to minus 2. Here the variable they have given is u. So alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 4. B is equal to 8. C is not associated. So here the coefficients, here A is equal to what? 4. B is equal to, what about C? 0. Because you can write this as plus 0 also, no? So C is equal to 0. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 0 minus 2. So what you will get? Minus 2 you will get. Minus b by a is minus 8 by 4. So minus b by a is also equal to minus 2. Now alpha into beta is equal to 0 into minus 2. Anything multiplied with 0 will be 0. And c by a, c is equal to 0, a is equal to, you will get it as 4. So c by a is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay. So we have verified the relationship also. Next, t square minus 15. Try this now. T square minus 15. So in this, which format it is there? T square minus 15. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. That is t square minus 15. I can write it as t square minus root 15 whole square. And when you compare, a is equal to t and b is equal to root 15. Okay. So t square minus root 15 whole square, I can write it as t minus root 15 into t plus root 15. T minus root 15 into t plus root 15. So t minus root 15 is equal to 0, then t is equal to minus will become plus when there is a transpose. So t is equal to root 15. Another one, t plus root 15 is equal to 0 and t is equal to minus root 15. Okay. So t, that means what? Alpha is equal to root 15 and beta is equal to minus root 15. Now verify. Alpha plus beta into alpha into beta. Here directly we can use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. In this t square minus 15, what is a? A is equal to 1. B is equal to 0 because t term is not there. And c is equal to constant, that is minus 50. Okay. So alpha plus beta. Here what you will get? Root 15 minus root 15 you will get. So alpha plus beta you are getting as 0. And minus b by a is also 0. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay. Now alpha into beta, root 15 into minus root 15. So root 15 into root 15 will be equal to 15, right? Plus into minus, minus. So you will get minus 15. Now c by a. So what is c here? Minus 15 and a is equal to 1. C by a is equal to minus 15. Everyone got alpha and beta. So what is alpha and what is beta? So this if you multiply, I will get minus 12x square. I can split it as 4x and 3x. And here it is minus, so this is minus, this will be plus. So we will get it as minus x. When I multiply, I will get it as minus 12x square. So minus x, I can replace by this. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Okay. Here the common term will be x. So 3x square by x is what? You will get it as 3x here. Then minus 4x by x, we get it as minus 4. And here there is no common term. I will take it as 1. So we will get it as 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 are the factors. Now find the zeros. 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 3. So alpha is equal to 4 by 3. Again x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. So beta is equal to minus 1. Everyone got the same thing and verified the relation alpha plus beta. You are getting the thing. Okay. So in this exercise 2.2, we have done all the problems here. We'll go for the second main in this. Okay. Find the quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and the products of the zeros respectively. So they have given sum and the products of the zeros. So sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta they have given. Okay, and product of the zeros alpha into beta, correct? So alpha plus beta they have given as 1 by 4, alpha into beta they have given as minus 1. Now you should find the quadratic polynomial. Now we should find the quadratic polynomial. If you know alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we can find the quadratic polynomial. It will be equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Okay. So if you know alpha and beta, we can from that we can get the polynomial. So that will be equal to x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So they have given alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Substitute the values, you will get the polynomial. Do that. What you will get? Polynomial.
The one sibling equation, the first. What is one x square minus?
X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. It is the polynomial for the given alpha beta. See, first, whenever we get the polynomial, from that we used to find the zeros, that is the alpha and beta. Now we know the alpha and beta, then from that, how to write the equation. Okay, so if you know alpha and beta, that then we can get the polynomial, and that will be equal to x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This can be proved actually, but that is not given here, not required. That's why we are not doing that. Okay, directly you can know that x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Substitute the values now. Got? These questions they ask in 1 mark. If they give alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then you have to find the problem. MCQ part they will ask. Okay. Welcome.
The alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and you do it.
We'll do. Yeah.
You know, after I get to
This is done. We'll do 1 minute. That also. See. I'll explain that later. So alpha plus beta. Now we have got 1/4. And alpha into beta is equal to -1. So what will be the equation? X square minus of -1/4 into x plus alpha into beta, that is -1. So we will get it as x square minus into minus plus 1/4x plus into minus minus 1. Now this equated to 0. You can keep it as it is. Or if I take the LCM for 1 and 4 will be 4, right? So LCM by the denominator, 4 by 1 will be 4. 4 into the numerator, so you will get it as 4x square. Okay, plus 4/4 will be 1. 1 into x will be x. Then 4/1 will be 4. 4 into -1 will be -4. Now this is equal to 0, or you will get it as 4x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the question you had?
Isn't this just harder? Isn't this just harder? It's just gonna be more hard.
Which one?
This one.
Then other way how you will do?
Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So you'll find b and a. And then alpha into beta is c by a. So you'll find c also. And then you can just frame it.
How you will find alpha plus beta? Minus, we know that minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. But we don't know a also. No, you are telling take it as minus b there directly. But we don't know whether a is 1 or not. It may be other.
A is 4.
Then how you will do? Or you have to find separately alpha and beta, you are telling. Directly you can get, no, here. So you are telling minus b by a is -1 plus 1/4, and c by a is -1, right? But again you have to find a also, you have to find b, c, all the three you have to find, right?
So it won't just be 4.
So I had a doubt. How did you get -1/4?
Alpha plus beta. Okay, plus 1/4, no? Okay. Then here it is minus. 4x square minus 6 minus 4. You understood, or you want me to do again?
No, but isn't there another formula instead of
K you have to multiply.
x square minus alpha beta x into alpha plus alpha beta?
Repeat, what is it telling? K into
Bracket
x minus alpha.
No. X square.
X square
Plus bracket alpha beta.
Alpha into beta.
Alpha plus beta. Again x. Plus alpha beta.
Equal to 0. This is the equation we are telling. It is minus alpha plus beta into x. See, once minus of alpha plus beta into x. Yeah, it's there in NCRT also. See that. It is minus only. See the NCRT book only, it's there. See, why we are not considering k here is it is equal to 0. Okay. So k, if I shift here, 0 by k will be 0 only. That is why we directly write like this.
My teacher told us when over here alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4, right? So if alpha plus beta has a denominator, then the denominator is a k value. If it does not have a denominator, then
That's
k
what
will
we
be
have done
complex.
here.
No, it's just going to complex. That's it.
No, it is not complex, and this method everywhere it is required. Taking the LCM and trying to simplify every chapter you need it. Okay. You are taking that as the k value. Now you do it like this only. Every time you require that, you have to take the LCM and simplification. Even in the linear equations, it will come. Everywhere it will come. Okay. So why we are taking k as 1 here means, see, 0 by k will be equal to 0 again. So it doesn't matter whether k is 2 or 1 like that. That is why directly we are taking this one. X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Okay. Hmm? Second one, root 2 comma 1 by 3. You want another problem to? Okay, I will do this problem. Third one you can do. Okay. Here, what they have given, sum and the product. Sum is alpha plus beta, that is root 2. Product is alpha into beta, that is 1 by 3. Okay. So polynomial will be x square minus of alpha plus beta, okay, into x plus alpha into beta. So x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Now this is equal to 0. Again, listen once. LCM will be what? LCM will be 3 here. Correct? Here denominator is 1. This is also 1. So LCM by the denominator. L by D will be what? 3 by 1 is 3. This 3 I will multiply with the numerator. I will get 3x square. Minus. Again you will have 3 by 1 is what? 3. 3 into root 2 you will get 3 root 2x. Plus 3 by 3 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So equal to 0. You will get it as 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay.
We did not edit 3 layers.
No, because 3 into 0 will be what? 0. That is why we are not writing. Okay. See here, multiply 3 with the this side RHS, what you will get? 0. That is the reason we are not writing. Okay. So that is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Written everyone? Next one, 0 comma root 5. Do this. Root 5. So instead of alpha plus beta, it is 0. Instead of alpha into beta, it is root 5 you have to put. So you will get it as is equal to x square plus root 5. Okay. In your book also, I think ma'am also would have written minus C once properly. Or you would have written plus instead of minus, something like that. It is minus only. Okay. Do the fourth one, 1 comma 1. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha into beta is equal to 1. Correct. So in this case, what is the equation? You will get polynomial x square minus x plus 1. Yeah. These are comes in the MCQ part, 1 mark questions. Okay. Next one, minus 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to here minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is 1 by 4. So we'll get it as x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So x square minus of minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. So you will get it as x square minus into minus plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So equation will be 4x square plus x plus 1. 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now daily what you have to do is whatever we have done, those things make sure you understood well and without saying you are able to do. First step is that. First do that. After completing the chapter, we'll start with the RS Agarwal few problems which usually they give in the exam, common questions. Done? Netra done?
Yes.
Then sixth one here, 4 comma 1.
Square minus 4x plus 1.
X square,
Minus 4x plus 1.
correct. So you can write it as x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this will be x square minus of alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta is 1. So you will get it as x square minus 4x plus 1. Try another one now. You have alpha plus beta, it is 0. Okay, then alpha into beta is equal to minus 3.
X
X square,
minus 3.
correct. You will get it as x square minus. Okay. Hope you understood, right? Whatever we have done, middle term splitting, and if there are only two terms, either you will take the common or you are using some formula to get the zeros. After that, from the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, we are trying to get the polynomial. Okay. And tomorrow, first exercise is there. We'll complete and get the Aras Agarwal book. We will do few problems from that. Okay. Understood, right? Any doubts until now what we have done? Understood? Okay, bye.